In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate Squarespace in Mailchimp in 2026. By the end, you'll have a simple workflow that takes form submissions from your Squarespace site and organizes those contacts in Mailchimp automatically. First, open Mailchimp and sign in to your dashboard. On the left side panel, open the main navigation and click Automations to access customer journeys. This is where you design journeys that run in the background, so once you set them up, they continue working without ongoing attention. Next, choose Flow Templates. Templates give you a head start with pieces already wired. You can build from scratch for total control, or use an existing template to move faster. If you're new, templates are a great starting point because they include recommended defaults you can tweak. Select Add or Update Contacts from Squarespace Form Submissions. It listens for Squarespace form submissions and creates a new contact or updates an existing one with the latest details. Click. Use this flow to load it into the visual builder. Inside the builder, tailor how the automation behaves. Add rules to define conditions and branches, like routing people based on the specific form or key field values. Rules let you personalize the journey without creating separate automations. Then add the actions you want Mailchimp to take, such as updating contact fields, applying tags for segmentation, or sending a follow-up email. You can also add a short delay before a message so your follow-up feels natural. Keep actions focused and easy to understand so future edits stay simple. If you need to refine when the journey starts, add more triggers. In this template, the trigger is a Squarespace form submission, and an extra trigger can narrow the audience or coordinate timing. Keep triggers simple. Too many can limit who enters the flow or cause confusion later. As you configure the flow, give steps clear names, map fields carefully so data lands in the right place, and save regularly. If you see a prompt to connect your Squarespace site, complete it so Mailchimp can receive submissions. A quick test submission is a smart way to confirm everything works. Name your flow clearly, like Squarespace form to audience, so teammates understand its purpose. That's it. You've used Mailchimp's automation tools to capture Squarespace form submissions and keep your contacts organized automatically.